Hello. Welcome back to our channel HyperTechX. Intel, the world's largest chipmaker, announced a significant cut in its quarterly dividend by more than 65%, from 36.5 cents to 12.5 cents. This comes weeks after the company implemented a wide-ranging set of cost cuts. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Intel's recent decision to cut its dividend, what this means for the company, and how it might affect its long-term growth prospects. Stay tuned to find out more. Pat Gelsinger said, "The board and I continue to view the dividend as a critical component to the overall attractiveness of Intel. We intend to resume growing the dividend over time." Gelsinger insisted that both he and the board remain committed to maintaining a competitive yield, but Intel's dividend yield is now 1.9%, down significantly from its prior yield of 5.6%. Intel's most recent results were a top and bottom line miss, and a $664 million net loss for the fourth quarter of 2022, which sent its share price sharply down. The company's stock has fallen nearly 60% from its 2021 high, a reflection of both a challenging PC market and company-specific issues, including a surplus of chips and underutilized factories. Few other large-cap companies have made such sizable cuts in recent memory. Intel's move follows asset manager Blackstone and telecom giant AT&T, who took their dividends down as well. Other firms like Rio Tinto and BHP in the mining industry, and Hanesbrands and VF Corp in the apparel space, have also cut their dividends in recent weeks. While Intel's dividend cut may not have come as a surprise given the company's recent challenges, it will be interesting to see how the market reacts to this decision and if it affects the company's long-term growth prospects. As the technology industry continues to evolve and competition intensifies, Intel's decision to cut its dividend could be seen as a move to improve its financial position and maintain its competitiveness in the market. However, only time will tell whether this decision proves to be effective and whether the company can bounce back from its recent struggles. And that's a wrap on our video exploring Intel's recent dividend cut. While the decision may have been surprising to some, it's clear that Intel is taking steps to improve its financial position and maintain its competitiveness in the market. As the technology industry continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how Intel adapts and whether it can overcome its recent challenges to remain a key player in the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights on the latest news in the tech industry.